What's up, Rockstars? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Tuesday, February 13th, 2018. Today might be a special day, or it might be a big fail. I teased it yesterday, but now I can tell you guys. I didn't want to tell you yesterday because I didn't want 1 million of my followers taking up the room, but we are going to a limited seating speaking from Gary V. You guys know him, Gary Vaynerchuck, one of the biggest YouTubers, motivational guys in the entire world. But there's only 1,000 seats and doors open at 4. It's 2:30 now, so we're gonna hurry and get there. Hopefully there's not a line around the building, which would be a huge fail if we don't get in and I don't get any video or get to ask him questions or anything. But hopefully we'll get there, hopefully we'll get in, and if we do, I'll have some great video and Q&A for you guys later. All right, you guys see behind me, downtown Tampa, picked up Chris. He wasn't in the beginning of the video. Say hi, Chris. Are you excited?
Hey, how's it going? Very.
He's excited. So there's seating for 1,000, like I said, and we just drove by the building. There is a line that you're gonna get to see in a minute. Thinking it's probably only about, what, maybe 100, 150 people out there?
Yeah.
Definitely not 1,000, so I think we're in business. I think we're gonna get to actually see him. We might have to be sitting in the back, but I'll let you guys see the line in just a second. Okay, so that's the Tampa Theater. There's the line. We're gonna have to go position ourselves in the back of the said line. It's probably only about 150 or 200 people. Here's the awning entryway into the Tampa Theater where we're gonna check out Gary V. Start of the line, which only seems to be about 100, 150 people, so we seem to be okay. All right, we're in here. Gary's gonna be talking right there in just a few minutes. Gonna go get some drinks.
He is fearless, he has boundless energy, and no one gets more excited about ideas than he does. So he's here today to talk about the state of entrepreneurship, media, and how to use it to your advantage. Tampa Bay, you're in for a treat.
And so, my concern is that people aren't building businesses, they're building financial arbitrage machines to get to the next round. A lot of you here think and pander 24/7 to a VC whose business, her or his business, is to only get one of you to actually succeed to pay for the whole nut. And you think you're special because you have a startup and you've raised money, but you haven't built a successful business. It's super funny, like looking at people's profiles on Instagram where they put entrepreneur, and that's a status to them. It's literally like me putting basketball player in my profile.
20 minutes later.
All right, we're inside with Gary right now. He's got a roll. He's got an airplane ride going.
Across the country.
Congratulations.
There he is right there.
Thanks, but we have a bunch of franchise owners who are pretty dinosaur when it comes to marketing.
That's right.
Yep.
Over
And we're
there.
in direct response lead generation. So imagine, like, there's a big switch over happening. And since I'm kind of at the quote office, I have the time to work it out and figure out how to do it.
Everybody getting the camera.
Do me a favor.
KV, stop!
Send me an email. You're the last guy asked the question.
Well, how would you grow a direct mail company marketing and in the social media world.
I would not build
Would you try to change all the like 40, 50-year-olds into like social media marketers? Or just, like,
a direct mail company can't survive long term in today's environment. Not long term. You're gonna die.
A little bit closer here.
Yes. It's silky. It's
So I hope you guys enjoyed a little Gary Vee speech tonight interview. We didn't get to ask a question because there was like 1,000 people, and when he did Q&A, it was literally like a rush to the microphone, and where our seats were, it was just not a good spot to get in there. So I was in line to ask a question and didn't really get to do it. If I had gotten to ask him something, I probably would have asked him, like, when you're in a smaller niche like we kind of are, like how you can expand out and get more customers to buy from you, to, you know, get more customers to be loyal to you, to get customers who, you know, continually coming back. Instead of selling all these one-offs, how do we get like a recurring customer base? You know, something that he's kind of good at. He's got a lot of loyalty. I get Gary Vee, you know, on a level. I think that a lot of people don't understand Gary Vee. They expect instant results and one thing out of him, when in reality, you have to take Gary Vee. He's a motivational speaker. He's, you know, an advertiser, a marketer, a brand builder. So that's really what he's about. And he's not gonna teach you, you know, you're not gonna jump on his video and he's gonna say, hey, go buy 1 million Canon cameras and make $1 million tomorrow. That's not what he's telling you to do. He's just gonna teach you how to get off your butt, how to manage time, how to manage yourself, how to build yourself, how to build yourself up, and how to do things better. So that's really, when you're watching Gary Vee's videos, please remember that that's kind of his thing and what he's about: marketing, branding, and advertising, hyping, and all that stuff. It's not about specifics. It's not micro, it's macro. It's not, this is the exact item to go buy and sell. This is exactly how you make $1 million. It's more of, if you follow these techniques and these rules, then you can be successful. So just remember that. Very good speaker. I'll give him, he's amazing on stage. He handles the crowd well. He answers questions well. And it was a fun time. It was good. Great job. It was awesome to, you know, see him in person, 10 feet away. He signed hundreds of books, hundreds of, you know, autographs, and took tons of selfies and let us video him. So thank you, Gary. Thanks for the free tickets. Thank you to Tampa Bay Tech Startup Week. Thank you for what you did and put on. I'll make sure to hashtag this and link your website. And it was just a fun night. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you've never checked out Gary Vee, go check him out. I'll link his YouTube below. He doesn't need me to link his YouTube, but I'll link it for those of you that have never seen it. And check out some of his videos, but don't watch them for hours on end. You'll never get any work done. Trust me, I've done it. But I'll leave you guys with that. Enjoy your evening. Tomorrow night is Valentine's Day. Not sure. I'll try to get a video up early before we go out, if we go out. And I'll see you guys then. So thank you so much. Love all of you. Go get some work done. Go make some money. And until we talk again tomorrow, good night.